Telegram, madam.
Thank you, Eagle.
Dear Lady Heart, due to lack of interest, Halloween has been cancelled this year. We apologize for any inconvenience.
This just won't do. Igor, call the ghouls. We've got work to do. Happy 1st of Spooktember, everyone. I am so excited to start getting into the Halloween spirit. I like to count September 1st as the start of spooky season. I know a few people like to wait a little longer, but we've got a lot to do to get ready for this year. If you watched my TK Maxx video where we went Halloween shopping last month, you may remember. No, you wouldn't remember. I'm the only one that became obsessed with these things. The tassel wool ghosts that were on the candles, I became obsessed with those since I saw them. So I'm like, I'm just going to make them, and for very good reason, because I've had this tassel maker laying around for years, unopened, and I felt like we should give it a go. And the tassel maker boasts it makes 5 sizes. Go instructions. All right. Yeah, it seems simple enough. Okay, so you gotta first remove these screws and then put it at the size you want. So I want to make quite large ones, so I'm going to set it to the maximum setting, and we'll see how those turn out. And then wind the thread as many times as necessary around the center of the tassel maker. Okay, I suppose this can go on for a bit. All right, and then you're gonna loop it over that side so those hold it. That's kind of clever. Okay, then you have to make like a loop to go in the center. So I'm gonna have to make this quite long because it's gonna go into the center of that guy. And then push it inside the bundle. Okay, we've done that. So then we want to tie a strand around the middle, which also locks in that little center bit. Okay, so it's got grooves on here, and set scissors and cut through both ends. So it kind of looks like Cousin It at the moment. Ah, that is getting really cute. Okay, then so I probably didn't need to make it that long, but that's all right. All right, we're nearly done. Pretty much, you've just got to trim the edges. Now it does suggest using a piece of tape for this bit, but I'm just gonna be cheeky and use my hand. And I'm just gonna make some eyes out of black Evie. And then I'm just gonna use Fabrifuse to glue those eyes on. Oh my god. That is so cute. I'm gonna have a little experiment with the next few ones to fix this long string conundrum. I know exactly what I did wrong, but if you do a knot like this, you can easily fix it. You can just cut off the excess that you like and then just tie it into a little knot. They are so cute. I made my little ghosts into a really cute wall hanging and I love it. So yeah, this gadget is a thumbs up from me. It made tassels really easy and can't complain with the results. Before I go, the lovely Janelle has sent me a little something and I have been dying to open this. So we're gonna open it up now and see what we got. Oh, so excited. Beautiful letter from Janelle. Oh, Janelle, that is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, Janelle made all these. Cushion. Isn't that so cute? Oh, that is just adorable. A little. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at this print on it too. Oh, stunning. There's this lovely little pillow. It's so lovely. So Janelle says, most of these items you will be familiar with, but the wrist pin cushion has a secret lining to keep your pin sharp. The magnets are to help pick up and find said pins and needles. Oh, that is just so clever, Janelle. I absolutely love them. Just know there is a metalhead costume tattooed widow that appreciates what you do and looks forward to your videos of what amazing things you do. Oh, thank you so much, Janelle. You have, oh my God, you have made my day. I have had this sitting around for a few days and I just could not take it anymore. I had to open it. I never want to take this off. It's just so handy and it's so cute, this little bracelet thing. I absolutely just love getting, especially handmade gifts, because you've put your own individual touches in there and usually your blood, sweat and tears, I know from experience. So I am just so appreciative of the handmade gifts. So thank you so, so much. Well, aren't I spoiled? And that'll just about do it for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me again. And thank you for being patient while I got my shit together over the last couple of months. So get ready for more Halloween crafts, shopping, baking, the lot. We are going to have some fun this year and I hope to inspire you to make some cool Halloween stuff of your own. Thank you for joining me once again. I have been Lady Heart and you have been an audience. I'll see you next week.
You're all doomed. Doomed. Doomed.